Good morning, Guitarist TV viewers. We're here in sunny Bulgaria this morning. I'm with legendary guitarist Mr. Dennis Stratton.
Good morning.
We just had a really nice breakfast. It looks like it's going to be about 30 degrees today.
With 2 hours sleep.
2 hours sleep.
Yeah.
It was quite an eventful trip here.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, we were delayed at Heathrow for an hour, maybe an hour and a half. From Sofia Airport to Stara Zagora, where we are, it's about a 3-hour drive. So, with 4 bands on the coach, we've got Prayer Mantis, Saxon, Weapon, ex-UFO, and our band that are doing the Maiden Years set, which is the first and a bit of the second album. But it was a very long drive, so we're a little bit tired, but we're getting there. We're going to leave shortly for the sound check in about half hour, and as Mike said, it's very, very warm, so it's going to be a long day.
It's really exciting stuff.
Yeah,
because we really got some excellent bands on the that we're working with today. Right?
Yeah, and also it's because it's the first one.
Yeah.
It's always hard for the first one and to kickstart it. But they're good people. They've put a lot of work into the festival. A lot of hard work's gone into it. A lot of money, a lot of time, and hopefully, if this is a success, which I'm quite sure it will be, then there'll be many more to come, and hopefully get bigger. It's a shame this year that Sonosphere's cancelled in Sofia, but then we have to think of ourselves. So maybe there'll be some more fans from Sofia that make the journey to Stara Zagora for our festival. So we have to find out. But, yeah, some great bands, and also some old friends that for myself, Clive Edwards, Rocky Newton, all members of Lionheart, which I worked with, from 1980 to 85, So they're here, and it's like catching up. And Tino and Chris Troy from Mantis, I was with them for 15 years, so it's good to have old faces and good friends all around you. So it's a good atmosphere.
Yeah, we'll catch up with you guys a bit later on.
Yeah, if we're still alive.
Nice. So if you ever want to know what it's like being on stage during a sound check, I'm going to show you.
Power over that side. I think you connected.
Bass player for Prayer Mantis, and over there in the corner you see Andy, he's on the guitar for Prayer Mantis, and I'll find Tino. There's Michael. Mike is the vocalist. And out front today, I'll show you the mixing desk. TV production crew doing. Sorry, get that so that's nice and focused. There we go.
Tino, it's asking me what network I want to join. Just by cancel.
So there's the sound desk and the television guys all doing their thing that side of the world. Nobody here yet because it's only like 1:45 in the afternoon, but it's already around 30 degrees. I'll show you around the back of the stage. That's our air-conditioned cubicle over there. And that area there's refreshments and dinner and food and that for the musicians. Those are the guys from a band called Weapon. Do you know Troy? Guys will be on after us.
Go, Satch! Always with me, always with you. Love that.
That's Danny from Weapon. See the TV crew are here, they're busy setting up the boom crane.